Chapter 5. Swimming across the English Channel. Learning objectives. 1. Understand that swimming in the English Channel is a test of mind and body to overcome multiple challenges. 2. Develop our character by overcoming obstacles in life. Warm up. Doing adventure is the most exciting experience of life. It contains lots of joy and happiness, however, full of risk. People are great who try adventures in life for unknown outcome. Have you ever done any adventurous activities in your life so far? Can you name some people who are famous for their adventurous activities? Look at the pictures carefully and write the name of the personalities in the given space. Arati Saha, 1940 to 1994, was the first Asian woman to swim across the English Channel on 29 September 1959. Born in Calcutta, Kolkata, West Bengal, British India, Arati was initiated in swimming at the early age of 4. Her talent was spotted by Sachin Naik. She was inspired by Indian swimmer Mihir Sen to try to cross the English Channel. Let's read the chapter to know about the first Asian woman who swam across the English Channel. The English Channel separates England from Europe. The English Channel connects the North Sea to the Atlantic, is one of the world's busiest shipping route. Swimming across the English Channel is compared to climbing Mount Everest. This is because swimming across the channel is not free from dangers. The choppy ice-cold water is shark-infested. Stinging jellyfish and strong tides all make the adventure extremely dangerous. Sheer exhaustion caused due to swimming the great length also can prove fatal. Its width is approximately 33 km from the Strait of Dover, where most swimmers attempt the channel crossing. On September 29, 1959, Arati Saha, aged just 19, became the first Asian woman to overcome this daunting task. She swam from Cape Gris-Nez, France to Sandgate, England. She was born in 1940 in Kolkata, West Bengal. She was interested in swimming right from her childhood. She was encouraged by her coach Sachin Naik to participate in various competitions. She won 22 state competitions between the period of 1945 to 1951. This included an All India record in 1949. She was motivated to swimming the English Channel by an Indian swimmer, Mihir Sen. He accomplished a feat which no swimmer had done before. He swam across the 7 seas of the 5 continents in a single calendar year. He was also the first Asian to swim across the channel. She began training at a young age. She used to put in long hours of training to build up stamina. Sea swimming is totally different from pool swimming. To do it, one needs both mental and physical strength. She used to practice in natural environments such as rivers and seas instead of a swimming pool to get used to tides, waves, and sea creatures. She needed mental preparation to develop mental toughness to stay motivated even after swimming for hours. She was accompanied by a pilot team who helped her in directing her through the channel. She made her own record of swimming a distance of 42 miles in 16 hours and 20 minutes. She hoisted the Indian flag at Sandgate. She also participated in the Helsinki Olympics in the year 1952. In recognition of her achievements, she was awarded the Padma Shri in 1960. Arati died of jaundice on August 23, 1994. A stamp was issued by the Indian Postal Department in her memory in 1999. Her achievements motivated and inspired many other Indian and Asian swimmers. Find meaning: choppy, having many waves; stinging, causing wound due to sharp teeth; daunting, seeming difficult to death; with feat, achievement; exhaustion, tired; fatal, causing death; accomplished, expert, skillful. Exercises: creative expression. Tell your story. Imagine that you have witnessed a television program about a sports event. Use your imaginative details about the host and participants of the sports event. You may use the clues below to help you. 5 challengers, swimmers, red costumes, display of courage, winner will receive award, common tournament. Cross-curricular connect, learning by doing. Ask these questions to know more about your partner. What is the strength? What do they do to overcome fear? Who is their role model? Critical thinking. Let's play a game. Use the clues to complete the crossword. Across. 1. Superlative form of busy. 2. Dangerous. 3. Arathi swam to this place. 4. Games held every 4 years. 5. Opposite of artificial. Down. 6. Big dangerous fish. 7. Person belonging to Asia. 8. Homophone of feet. Logical thinking. What do you do when you overcome your fear? Tick the correct answers. You will say, I am the best. You will be polite and thankful to God for fostering strength. Exercise time. Answer the following questions. 1. Who was Arathi Saha? Answer. Arathi Saha was the first Indian woman to swim across the English Channel on 29 September 1959. Born in Calcutta, Kolkata, West Bengal, British India. 2. Where is the English Channel situated? Answer. The English Channel separates England from Europe. The English Channel connects the North Sea to the Atlantic, is one of the world's busiest shipping routes. 3. Why is swimming across the English Channel dangerous? Answer. Swimming across the English Channel is compared to climbing Mount Everest. This is because swimming across the English channels is not free of dangers. The choppy ice-cold water is shark-infested, stinging jellyfish, and strong tides all make the adventure extremely dangerous. 4. What was the unique feat performed by Arathi Saha in 1959? Answer. On September 29, 1959, Arathi Saha, aged just 19, became the first Asian woman to overcome this daunting task. She swam from Cape Grisnez, France to Sandgate, England. Number 5. Who motivated Arathi Saha? Why? Answer. She was motivated to swimming English Channel by an Indian swimmer, Mihir Sen. He accomplishes a feat which no swimmer had done before. 6. What did the government do to acknowledge her achievements? Answer. In recognition of her achievements, the Indian government awarded Arathi Saha with Padma Shri in 1960. Find their meaning. 1. Recognition, the action of recognizing. 2. Dangerous, hazardous, harmful. 3. Initiated, started. 4. Accompanied, to attend as companion. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. 1. Arathi died of jaundice on August 23, 1994. 2. A stamp was issued by the Indian Postal Department in her memory in 1999. 3. She was accompanied by a pilot team who helped her in directing her through the channel. 4. Mihir Sen was the first Asian to swim across the channel. 5. She was encouraged by her coach, Sachin Naik. Match the following. Column A, Column B. 1. She has won 22 state competitions between the period 1945 to 1951. Mihir Sen swam across the 5 continents in a single calendar year. The English Channel width 33 km. She swam from France to England. Take the right options. 1. The English Channel separates 1. England from Asia, 2. England from Europe, 3. England from Australia. Answer 2. England from Europe. 2. Arathi Saha belongs to 1. Kolkata, 2. Chennai, 3. Delhi. Answer 1. Kolkata. 3. Arathi Saha set an All India record in 1. 1945, 2. 1949, 3. 1951. Answer 2. 1949. 4. Mihir Sen was the first person to 1. Swim across the English Channel. 2. Swim across the 7 seas. 3. To swim across the 7 seas of the 5 continents in a single year. Answer 3. To swim across the 7 seas of the 5 continents in a single year. 5. Arati Saha covered a distance of dash while swimming across the English Channel. 1. 33 miles. 2. 42 miles. 3. 42 kilometers. Answer 2. 42 miles. Conceptual understanding. Write the events in Arati's career associated with the following years. Arati Saha, born in Kolkata, 1940-1949, All India record. 1952 Helsinki Olympics. 1959 Arati swam from Cape Grisnez, France to Sandgate, England. 1960 won Padma Shri, August 23, 1994. Communication. Writing skills. Your sports teacher announced in the class that tomorrow all class 6 students will start to learn swimming. It is compulsory. You do not know swimming. What will be your reaction? Write a paragraph. Reading skills. Write T for true and F for false statements. 1. Swimming across the English Channel is compared to climbing Mount Everest. True. 2. Arati Saha crossed the English Channel at the young age of 14 years. False. 3. Arati Saha was encouraged by her coach Mihir Sen to swim. False. 4. Sea swimming is more difficult than pool swimming. True. 5. Arati Saha participated in 2 Olympics. False. Listening and speaking skills. Look at the picture carefully. Your teacher will tell about some adventurous people of India. Listen to him or her carefully and write the correct name below each picture. 1. Kalpana Chawla. 2. Neil Armstrong. 3. Rakesh Sharma. 4. Valentina Tereshkova. Let's learn spellings. Choose the correct options and fill in the blanks. 1. The English Channel separates England from Europe. 2. Arati was initiated in swimming at the early age of 4. 3. Mihir Sen accomplished a feat which no swimmer has done. 4. She used to practice in natural environments such as river and seas. 5. She has mentally prepared herself to stay motivated even after swimming for hours. Let's learn grammar. Simple present tense is used to express an action in the present to state something that exists or is generally true. A regular habit. We go to school every day. The present continuous tense shows that the action is incomplete and is still going on. The present perfect tense shows that the action has just been completed. The present perfect continuous tense shows that an action has been going on for some time. Life skills. Self-awareness building. Discover yourself. Answer the question, who am I? Write 5 good things about yourself. In this chapter, Arati Saha is inspired by Mihir Sen. Write about any one person who has inspired you.